What's up guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Southeast Asian style spaghetti. So when I make this meal, it hits my heart. Just thinking about it, childhood vibe. My family originated from Laos. Grandpa and grandma had 13 kids. This is one of those dishes where it just hits home. Like you take whatever resource you have and then you make it your own. So you'll be thinking spaghetti with fish sauce. People might be grossed out. Why do you put fish sauce in your spaghetti? Because we're Southeast Asian and that's our palate. And as I grew up, I see other Southeast Asian families making this too, so it really hits home for me. It all makes sense if you think about it. Southeast Asian flavor. We make things with tomato and with fish sauce, and we always stir fry with noodles. So spaghetti, fish sauce, and tomato makes sense for us because that's how we cook our stir fries anyways. And we, of course, we cook using garlic and onion, and we cook fish sauce with mushroom too. So this is why this meal comes all together. So please don't knock it until you try it. All right, here are the ingredients you're gonna need. I have my cooked noodles. You can do al dente if you want. And I have my minced garlic, onion, mushroom, tomato sauce. And of course, the star of the show is the fish sauce. Nikmam, nampa, nampla, chicken stock, some chicken bouillon, MSG, makes shit good. I like to use some chili powder, and if you want you can add sugar. Sugar tastes really good with spaghetti, but for me I like salty savory umami. I don't put sugar. You could add sugar to balance everything. Grated Parmesan cheese, shredded Parmesan. You want to try my recipe? Go ahead and screenshot this for your convenience. All right, so in a wok or pan you want to get it really hot. Add oil to pan. Once it gets really hot, we're going to add in our minced garlic and onions. Start off with the garlic first. Give it a stir. And add a little bit more oil. Add in our onions. And give it sweet. I love a lot of onions. Look how much onion that is. Next, I'm adding mushroom. Add in your ground beef, and now I'm just gonna break it down. You guys already know what's in here. Mix it good with some MSG. The star of the show is the fish sauce to make it Southeast Asian style. Chicken bouillon. A little bit of chili powder. Shredded Parmesan. A lot. Extra cheesy. Gonna all in. What's everybody cooking today? Of course, now it goes in the tomato sauce. Easy as that. We're done, guys. Time to eat. Let's go eat. Ooh, this smells so good. So good. It's gonna be savory. Gonna get acidity from the tomatoes. I'm gonna do a taste test. So good. And I added some grated Parmesan cheese. Mix that all in. Alright, we're done. We're gonna top it off with some parsley flakes. Give that color and some oregano. How beautiful that is. Southeast Asian style spaghetti. Give it a mix. I'm gonna grab some noodles. Grab some noodles here. I wish I had meatball in my sauce. And just pour it all over that. Mushroom. Nice. Actually, put some awesome there. Delicious. Alright. Time to eat.